Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Stila liquid lipsticks. I have 6 of these mini lipsticks here with me. These are the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and now these are available in India. There's a website, I'm going to link it down below. Sephora sells its products on that website, so you can find the full size of these liquid lipsticks there, and these retail from like 1800 to 1950, something like that. These are some of the best liquid lipsticks on the market, I can tell you that. The colors are also beautiful. I only have about 6 shades from these that I'm going to share with you guys, show the swatches off, and yeah, so let's just quickly get about how the shades perform. So these are liquid lipsticks, that means they stay on for a longer period of time, but these are not very drying on the lips. These are like comfortable matte. These are not super duper uh, these are not like a super duper matte that they are going to crack your lips or show the cracks on your lips, but it is obvious, like it's a matte formula, but it's pretty comfortable on the lips. It is very long staying, and you can remove it with the help of a wipe or break it down with some oil, whichever way you prefer. But to exfoliate and your lips and apply a little bit of lip balm, like take care of your lips as you normally would, because liquid lipsticks do tend to want a little bit of extra TLC from your lips if you want to rock the liquid lipsticks all the time on your lips. Also, I've done a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm going to link the video down below. Do check it out. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on my uploads. And without further ado, let's just quickly get started with this video because the shades are beautiful. The first shade I'm going to talk about is Caramello. This is Caramello, and this is the only shade I require a lip liner with. Like, you can obviously use a lip liner with any lipstick, but the shade is so light that I cannot apply it without a lip liner. So the lip liner I'm using is Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks Mocha L12. Here is Caramello on my lips. Next, let's talk about Patina. It's a beautiful shade, one of their best-selling shades. This is one of my favorite shades. This is called Aria. It's like a deep berry mauve kind of a shade. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks of all time. I've been using this lipstick since so long. You guys have seen me wearing this in a lot of my videos. This shade is called Fiery. Next one is Kobo. This one is certainly not for the faint-hearted. It's like a very bright, so this is like a very bright neonish kind of a purple, not your everyday look, not your everyday purple, but I like to mix this with the next lipstick that I'm going to show you. This one is called Chianti, and together I can make them work. On its own, this is probably not a good color for someone with, like, you know, yellow undertone skin. There you go. It's a fun color, and I like to pair it up with, again, a darker purple lip liner or a lipstick, and then I like to, you know, rock this shade. Not on its own. I don't think it's like a very flattering color on me. But yeah, this is how Kobo looks. The last shade is Chianti, and I'll just show you how it looks with this. To kind of get like an ombre shape and then try to make this work, or even more darker lipstick, and the lighter purple is like very less. And this is just to give you an idea how to make lipsticks work for you. Like if there's a shade you don't like it too much, you can mix and match and still make it work for you. The last shade is Chianti. This is again like a very dark maroon berry, not maroon exactly, like purple and maroon mix kind of a shade. On its own, it's again very dark, but I like to mix this with Caramello in the center so that it lightens up the lip a little bit. This is like almost black purple kind of an lipstick, which I don't think I'm going to wear it on its own anytime. I like to mix this with either Aria or Patina or Caramello in the center, and then I like to, you know, sport this. This is Chianti. Someone who's going to wear that color outside, so I like to, you know, just ombre it out and then make it wearable like these. These lipsticks are really very comfortable. They are easy to glide on. I'm running out of almost all of them. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this small little video. If you want me to do more lip swatches video, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'm going to get back to you in the next video. And if you have any like particular video you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family if you enjoy my content. It will help me grow, and your suggestions and comments and feedback is always welcome. Please let me know everything you want to tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.